Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150, talking about that generation here, year 2015, 16, 17. If you have one of those, you need to find, guys, where the fuse for the cigarette lighter, the one that's on the dash, in the dash, guys, where that fuse is located, because yours is not working. Stay with us, we will explain that in this video today, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, and why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your time and money. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, okay, the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So right here now, guys, okay, we're going to demonstrate on 2016 Ford F150. You actually have 2 fuse boxes, but we're working just one of the fuse boxes that's located under the hood and right behind your car battery. Right here, if I zoom in, you can clearly see right there, you will have a fuse box. That's the cover, guys, that if you open, you have a fuse box that will look just like that. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the dash cigarette lighter fuse, where it's located, before we continue, guys, you have multiple fuses and relays, different kinds that are Ford specific or really hard to find in small towns. They could be really overpriced and expensive at the parts stores, especially small towns. So instead of being stuck in the middle of nowhere, keep some spares in your glove box, guys. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. The fuse that we need to check, if you come in that row of fuses right here, guys, okay, that very bottom fuse is for the dash cigarette lighter right here, that 20 amp fuse, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.